हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज मैं एक वीडियो बनाने लगा हूँ। I'm just trying to make a video on a kind of a strategy which is almost a zero lag. It can be nothing is perfect. Nothing is perfect. Nothing is certain in this market. Now this is primarily for the intraday traders. हमने पहले anchored we have already done the anchored VWAP. हमने पहले anchored VWAP की strategy की हुई है जिसको YouTube में आप लोगों ने काफी like किया। अब मैं आपको एक चीज दिखा रहा हूं कि where your trades can go in your direction and with more conviction. This you can combine with any strategy you are doing with. Before we go forward, let me be very clear that I'm not a certified financial analyst. I'm not registered with any national body in stock exchanges of India. So I'm not SEBI registered. Please do consult your financial advisor before you take any trade. My aim is just to make you aware of anything which I think is good. I may be wrong, I may be right. Everybody enjoys profit, but nobody likes to make loss. So before you take any trade based on any of this thing is, please consult your financial advisor. Please do a lot of back testing before you take a trade. There is a thing known as physics. In physics, we used to do is center of gravity. Whole of the stock market is just mathematics or physics, which we can use in trading. We had done also on the date of birth, which is also there according on the YouTube channel. You can watch it there. Today we are going to do something which is totally different. And today our indicator which we are going to use is the center of gravity. Sorry. Center of gravity oscillator by Ehlers. You just plot it down. It is an underlay indicator which will come and it is freely available. Do copy its source and keep it with you because you never know when it becomes a locked or you may not be able to use it. Now we'll go and do some settings, change in the settings. First, we'll just go and do the change in the color. So what we are going to do, we are going to make it green. Just darken it a bit and then let it be red. Our aim is whenever the green crosses the red, we take the short trade. And when the green crosses the red on the upper side, we take a long trade. Now you see, I'll just increase this duration to 20. Now you're almost done with the settings part. Now this was the breakdown and what we had on the anchored VWAP. So let's remove it. Let's not confuse it with anything else. So just see how smoothen it becomes. So this is the point from where your Bank Nifty reversed today. I'm doing it on the intraday basis. I'm doing it on the intraday basis and you can see it. You had a full run up till here and here it gave the first crossover. The green came below it and from there the market went down. Same way we had an up move from here right up till here. So you're riding the complete wave. आप एक पूरी wave को ride कर रहे हो. Yes, you will get a lot of false signals like this. You have to be sure false signals को कैसे avoid करना जब ये वाले signals आते हैं. See, these are the area. This is the area of low. यहाँ पे low बन रहा है. तो अगर इस center में है, तो एक थोड़ी देर के लिए आप pause ले सकते हैं अपनी market में कि हाँ अभी हम इस area में trade नहीं करेंगे. We will not trade in this area. Whenever we get a definite confirmation sign, that is the time we are going to take the trade. Now you see here, we had almost a flat market. Then we had an up trade going up, but you almost ended up in a loss. But moment you picked up this whole candle, your whole loss was recovered in matter of few minutes. So this is what the strategy is actually. You can do it on any instrument you like to do it. You will be able to catch a big move in any volatile structure instrument you are going to do it. Now let's see it on the Nifty. You can see out here, boom. Then again a downward move. The lower the crossover happens, as low as possible. If it happens somewhere around about, let's say around 10.48 or 10.47, the chances of it going up is very high. Very high. And that is you're going to pick up a big move. And somewhere around 10.51 and 52, you pick it up. You just go and see the history. Now this is 10.51. If you pick up a move somewhere close to it, you are bound to get a reasonably good return. So just try to keep an eye on how you take the trade. So the higher the levels you are, you can just draw a horizontal line out here is like this. So close to it, you will always get a good trade. Just try to see it. This is the crossover, and then you had a big move which is going down. So try to improvise it over your own strategies, do some kind of your own research, do a lot of paper trade before you actually take a trade on this basis. Now you see here, Bank Nifty, you beautifully captured somewhere over 200 odd points. Then you had a negative trade, loss making. Then again a positive, your P side trade. Same way you can see it here. A flat market, nil. Flat market, nil. Small PE trade, you got it small. Then you had a very good CE side trade, but then beautiful PE side trade. Real good way. So this is how you can do a very good trade into it. So this is center of gravity trading. Trading based on center of gravity. I again will show you once the indicator. The name of the indicator is center of gravity oscillator by Ehlers. And just plot it. Just go to the settings. Make it 20. Change the color to green. Let it be red. Okay. And now you're ready to trade. Just keep your chart on the expanded mode because you don't want to miss it. So even today we had a short trade from 4892, almost 70 points at the fag end of the day. But somewhere around 12, half past 12, around the noon, we had a beautiful trade going up from almost 45,000 to as high as 45,740, capturing close to around 700 points. Very easy to do, very easy, reproducible. No strategy gives you this kind of a move. So do backtest it, do try it, and put it in the comment. How did you like it? Thank you, everybody.